Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Today is the 17th of December and in today's video, this is going to be probably the second or the third video that is related to my pregnancy. So the first video would be for sure kung kailan in-announce namin sa inyo na I'm pregnant. And yeah, that just means that while filming this video now, hindi pa namin nasabi sa inyo, hindi pa namin na-share sa inyong lahat, nabuntis si ate nyo. Kaya it's feeling a bit weird na I'm talking about my pregnancy in front of the camera. It's insane. But anyways, I decided na I want to document everything about this pregnancy, guys. Kaya that's why I'm here and I'm just going to share with you my I don't know, updates and news and just the excitement and happiness, guys. And to be honest, until now, hindi pa rin nagsisink in sa akin na I'm pregnant. It's still everything is still crazy for me, guys. It's like still OMG. It's still OMG. But anyways, I'll probably mention this in our first video. But yeah, when I found out that I was pregnant on the 9th of December, so gamit ko lang noon was yung pregnancy test. And that one shows kung ilang weeks na yung tiyan ko. And when I did that, it shows 2 to 3 weeks pregnant. And that was, yeah, last week because that was 9th and now it's 17th. So yeah, just exactly 1 week ago. Yesterday, pumunta kami ng doktor ni Daddy Mike because I wanted to know the correct numbers and dates and all. So, nung pumunta kami ng doktor, the doctor asked me to do a blood test and also a urine test at the same time. So, that was Tuesday when I did that. And yesterday, Wednesday, bumalik na yung resulta. And then today, Daddy Mike and I went back to get the result from the doctors, and I've got the result here in my hand, guys. Although by the time na i-upload ko tong video na to, it's different now. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko to siya mapapublish, guys. But for today, for now, 17th of December, this is the result, guys. And based on the HCG, yung numbers ko, guys, is 14,100. That falls into 6 to 7 weeks pregnant. So yes, guys, there you go. It just shows that I'm nearly 2 months pregnant now without me knowing. Like, yeah, it's insane, guys. It's just crazy how this happens. And you know what, guys, when I found out na buntis ako kay Paris, I was also 6 to 7 weeks pregnant. So yeah, I always find out that I'm pregnant when, you know, it's 6 to 7 weeks. Everything else is fine. Sabi ng doctor, actually, there's one thing, sabi niya na yung iron ko daw is very low. So, Daddy Mike and I went to the chemist warehouse to buy this one. Ito yung Iron Plus from Microgenics. Ayan. So, I need to take 1 per day. And hopefully, that will help me. And also, nung nandun kami sa doktor, guys, she's also given me this request. So, pupunta kami next week, nakabook na siya. Daddy Mike called the radiology. So, we're going to do the first ultrasound, which they call dating ultrasound. So, that's when we know kung kailan yung due date ni baby and kung para malaman natin kung kailan talaga darating ang ating baby. So that is going to happen next week, which is the 23rd of December, just before Christmas Day. So yeah, just perfect, you know, Christmas gift for the family, for us, of course. So yan guys. And then yeah, one thing to show to you as well is this Elevate. So as soon as I found out nabuntis ako, I bought this one straight away because I used to take this one when I was pregnant with Paris. Ayan. And this is for healthy baby, healthy mom, before, during, and after. So you can take this one kapag nagpaplano na kayo na magka-baby. You can take this one. But then for us, I started taking this one when I'm already pregnant. And there you go. As mentioned, as of today, the 17th of December, I am 6 to 7 weeks pregnant. And yeah, it is still crazy, guys. I'm still full of emotions, like mixed emotions. I cry, I laugh, and I know it's all about the hormones, you know, that's playing up at the moment. But all in all, we're very happy. I'm super happy, especially Daddy Mike, because you know na ito talaga yung gusto niya. So there's just one thing that I worry so much, guys. Kasi remember nung nagpa-brain CT scan ako, that was towards the end of November. And before ako pumasok sa room, they asked me if I'm pregnant because of course the radiation and everything, right? And I said no. Kasi hindi ko pa alam noon na pregnant ako, guys. And there was no signs and symptoms and all. So, yeah. Yan lang yung parang nag-worry ako ngayon, guys. Kasi anong magiging epekto noon sa baby ko, sa tiyan ko, guys. Anyways, I did a Google, guys. And sabi naman doon na, yeah, most likely there's no risk of, you know, anything bad for the baby. Kasi kung brain lang naman daw yung CT scan, then maybe ano lang, yung radiation is hanggang neck lang. So, hindi talaga siya parang direct sa aking abdomen or direct sa tiyan ko, direct kay baby. So, yeah. I'll just take that off my head now kasi I've been really stressing about that. Now, wala pang maraming tao na nakakaalam. So, as mentioned sa start ng ating video, hindi pa namin, while filming this video, hindi pa namin na share, hindi pa namin na-announce sa inyo that I'm pregnant. But, my sister Mimi knows, and also my best friend Ron, he knows. The rest of the family doesn't know us yet, guys, kasi gusto kong sabihin sa kanila pag alam ko na yung due date and all. And alam niyo yung, I don't know if it's the same in the Philippines, guys, but dito sa Australia they always say na it's safe na i-share sa ibang tao yung pregnancy mo kapag your tummy is already 3 months old. Kasi by then daw, yung baby mo ay parang kapit na. So, it's less risk of miscarriage. So, yun yung sabi nila. And you know what? Like Daddy Mike always tell me na kahit naman, knock on wood, right? Kahit naman kung ano mang mangyari, miscarriage or not, you're still gonna tell these people, the people that you love, sasabihan nyo pa rin sila kung ano yung nangyari. So, why not tell now? Why wait for 3 months? But, yeah, anyways, guys, that's why I'm just waiting for next week's scan on the 23rd of December. And I'm planning to tell Mike's family and my family on Christmas Day. So, it will be, you know, a perfect present for everyone. That's all I want to share for now. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Thank you very much for being with us. I would like you to be a part of this journey with us, guys. And yeah, I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.